Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a totally different video. If you guys don't know, I watch a lot of planner videos. I've done like A5 in my Louis Vuitton, which I've featured in some of my favorites, and I absolutely love that planner. But I kind of got tired of like the inserts for a little bit, and I wanted to move to something Happy Planner related. So if you guys are Happy Planner babes, then you probably already seen this cover. This actually belongs to the Happy Notes of the Planner Babe collection. And I purposely bought the classic size of the Happy Notes because I wanted to use this as my cover. I thought it was super cute. I love the like rainbow pastel-y, just tons of color. And I have the rainbow disc on the side. And so yes, this is where I got the cover from. I made these tabs myself. I just used laminator and some, what do you call? Label makers, and I did that. I've done sections for the longest time, and I just find it to be helpful. It is Frankenplanned, and I don't know. I'm debating still for 2020 if I want to do Frankenplanned or if I want to keep my work stuff separate. So anyways, this isn't a walkthrough. This is just going to be for the week of, oh shoot, what is the week of? Let me get it. Yes, so it's for the week of 23 through the 29th of December. Sorry if I have so much dog hair. No matter how much I clean, it is dog hair central. So because this is going to be Christmas and Christmas Eve, definitely am doing Christmas related. It's the last Christmas spread of the year. Super exciting. And I'm sorry because I'm new to this if this is not what you like. Or I'm still getting used to this whole thing because I'm so used to doing face videos more. So I'm going to be using the Christmas Joy sticker pack. Honestly, didn't love the sticker pack. Also, it smells really weird. I don't know if it's just mine or if it's everyone's, but like, I don't know. Is it like gasoline or something? But every time I open it, I'm like, oh God, I can't stay in the sticker book long. So I did do for the last week, I started I really don't have that much left. So I'm going to do 2 and 1 because I'm just using it as a countdown. Okay, maybe. Also, I just had a lot of caffeine, so I'm kind of shaky, which is not a good thing. Also, I'm taking a break from acrylics. I don't know. I was honestly really not happy with my last acrylics. We went to Boston for the week, and I got the acrylics done a day before we left, and they honestly came off. Well, one broke off the next day, which I was just, you spend so much time at the place, and then it's like you get home, next day it breaks off, and you're just pissed. You're pissed because you spend the money, and that happens. Okay, so 2, 1. As much as I love these stickers, I'm not really happy with the color scheme of them because it was like all different colors, and I kind of wanted it just to be like really Christmassy. So I already don't love it, but I still want to use these. Okay. Do I use it? Yeah, I'm going to use it. Okay. Now, I used to do it where the top is my like major things happening, and then the bottom is like, the middle is my to-do list, running to-do list, and then the bottom is like a work section. But I'm trying to, last week and the week before, I'm trying to do something new where I don't care as much as, specific areas, because it used to be like I'd go nuts if it wasn't that way. Like, I like to have it very organized, but I'm trying to be a little bit more relaxed about my setup. Okay, so this matches that. See, this is where I'm upset because all these colors are really not Christmassy. So do I do it really Christmassy, or do I do it even like these? What do I do? Also, in my boxes, the colorful boxes, I don't have any reds left, so okay, let's do, I'm gonna set this aside for now. Just put this over here. I'm gonna see if there's any more boxes, just because kind of, you know, I could do this one, you guys. Because it gives me the option to do tons of different colors. Honestly, like next year I could, but I love this. To me, this and this is like traditional Christmas, but I'm gonna do this one. I don't really love these. Could do that one too. Peace on Earth. All right, I'm gonna do this and then put this here. Also, I know there's some people that like, they will decorate and then fully write in their week. I mean, I kind of do that depending on, like, oh, let's say I have a dentist appointment or, you know, doctor's appointment. Then I know for sure, but like most of the time it's kind of the day of or the day before I'm writing in stuff. So I don't know. How are you guys with that? Okay, now I can go in with my to-do list, which is here. All right, so green for sure. Since green is very here, I'm gonna do green here. Yellow, I'll do here. Let's see, I kind of want to do it in, okay, since the like tealish blue color is here, I'm gonna just do it in the middle. I'll do it here. And then maybe just one more over here. So I'll do this one. Is that too similar? Maybe too similar. This one? Kind of matches. I guess it kind of matches that one. I'll do that. And I'll do that over here. Okay. Honestly, not loving it. But I did want to use these stickers. So that kind of led me to use this sticker, which then led me to use non-Christmassy colors. Okay, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay. So this and this is Christmas. Well, Christmas Eve, Christmas. Okay. See, that's when I could really use some boxes, and I don't really have boxes. Sorry, I'm like literally just thinking to myself right now because I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think I'm going to do this one. And here. just don't want to make sure I don't cover the... Okay. So Christmas Eve, we usually celebrate and go to my parents' house because, well, actually, we open presents at Peter's house, family's house, and then we go for like lunch/dinner at my parents with more of our family and relatives. But this year we're going to my uncle's with everyone. So I think he's hosting that. And then Christmas Day, we go to my aunt's, then we go to my uncle's, like on my mom's side. My aunt's is my dad's side. And then we go home, walk the dog and everything. And then we go to Peter's grandpa's house. And then we go with my dad's cousin's side. So we kind of meet back with my dad's side. It's a whole ordeal. And then after all of that, we come back to my parents' house because, I don't know, it just feels more like Christmas if I'm going to my parents' house than coming home and opening presents. And so we open like the main family, which is just my parents, me, and Peter, because I'm an only child. And we open presents there. And it's like, I don't open our main presents till 10 o'clock at night, which I know is pretty late. I think most people just open their family Christmas presents like early in the morning, but I don't know, for us it's kind of like it gives us something to look forward to, So my dilemma is, do I want to put I guess I don't really need to. I just feel like something's missing here. Also, do you guys have all your presents ready? Because it's coming soon. It really is. I know there was another holiday one. I don't know if it was just holiday and it wasn't. Either I put another box here. Do I do that? Do I put a box there or do I... The problem is I don't love them. I really don't. Let's see. I might do a running to-do list here too. I don't really know. What do you guys use this for? Because I don't really use the sides. I feel like it could be more useful than what I do, Maybe I'll use one of these. I don't really know the purpose of them. Let's see. Does it cover it? Oh. Kind of like this one better with the scalped edge. Okay. Let's see. Maybe one little thing here. Maybe this one. Little... That's cute. Kind of just finishes up this edge, and then maybe, I don't know, make it look a little bit more festive, huh? Okay, I think that's good. So in here I'm gonna do to-do, I guess. And then I'm not really sure on times right now, so I gotta check my calendar. Or, well, really, I gotta check with my parents to see times of, like, you know, the lunch, dinner thing and all that. But yes, this is my spread. I have my petite planner, so I just do hourly in here. So what I kind of do, or what I've been doing for the past couple weeks, and I think it's working out well, is I do like major appointments, blah blah blah, major things I have to do, and I also have a work section in my happy planner here, which I have a calendar for that as well. And so work stuff doesn't really go in here. And then I break down every day hourly in my petite planner. So it's kind of like a schedule for me, because I look here, see, all right, I got dentist at this time. I got to pick up or go take something to the post office at this time. And I can kind of figure it all out in here, but I have this as my guideline. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'd love to know your guys' theme this week. Did you do it like super Christmassy, or did you keep it really colorful? Like, what colors did you do in your spread this week? And if you enjoyed, definitely like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye guys.